Hey guys, as you see the title, today's video is all about my college essentials. I just finished up freshman year. I'm now a sophomore. Okay, I can't believe the first year passed by that fast. Anyway, shout out to class of 2023 or 24, 25, 26, whoever, whatever year. Because honestly, I feel like I was really prepared for whatever came my way. Let's get into this. First up, let's talk about bedding. You're gonna get a small twin bed, crusty, dusty, hard twin bed. So please get a mattress topper. I think it's worth the investment. It changed my life, honestly. Next up, get 2 sets of sheets. Some days the laundry room is so packed. You're gonna wait till Sunday. When it's on Sunday, everybody using it. So once I have acknowledged that my sheets are dirty, it needs to get off my bed. Bring 2 blankets. 1 blanket just because you never know, wherever you might go might get a little chilly. And then you need a blanket that you don't care about, because there's some days it's gonna be like Zoe 101 type time. You're gonna want to sit out in the grass, throw a football, play frisbee, that type of stuff. So bring a blanket that's big that you don't really care about, so you and your friends can just vibe, have a picnic. So let's talk about room decor. Bring a power strip. I feel like they place the outlets in weird positions in the room sometimes. A utility cart is so thorough. Like I got one. Honestly, it's a small room divided in half. It's a closet. It's a jail cell. Definitely helped me out. I put my hair stuff in there. I put extra books in there, makeup stuff, like hang there all my miscellaneous things, you know. Bring a long charger. My bed had to be high the way my room was set up, so I could put stuff under it. And I like being comfortable in my bed, so portable charger. There's gonna be some days when your friends just want to be spontaneous and you're gonna be outside and that phone gonna be about to die. You don't want your parents worried about you, so bring a portable charger. You never know what might happen either. Don't get too comfortable staying out too late. Okay, another thing that really came in clutch for me was my desk lamp. It got different molds on it, so basically it has different colors and different brightness levels. Some days you're gonna be up doing homework and your roommate's trying to go to sleep, so usually I'll just put it on like the lowest level. Now me and my roommates were cool. We didn't need to do none of that, "Ooh, you might steal my stuff" type stuff. You can get a lock and just a treasure chest with all your important stuff, valuable stuff, and put it in there. Get a fan. Sometimes you might want the AC on and your roommate might not want the AC on, so you could just set it up. Get a rug. Hard, cold tile floors. I don't sleep with socks. I'm not a psychopath, so I was not going for that. When I wake up in the morning and my feet first touch the ground, I need comfort, so I brought my rug. A full-length mirror. I know some rooms don't come with it, so you need to see the fit for your stuff. You can't be out here looking crazy. Don't be embarrassed of me. And the last thing is command strip if you're like trying to decorate for real. That's what I use to hang up my lights and my beads I have. Next, let's get into clothing. You do not need to bring all of your clothes. Okay, I didn't bring all my clothes, but I bought a majority, and even then it was just too much. You're not gonna wear all that. For real, I probably wore like the same 4 or 5 jeans and a couple sweatpants and like 2 shorts the whole school year. It was nice to have the option if I wanted to switch it up, but when you're just trying to get up and go to class, it ain't no drip or drown type stuff on my end though. To bring formal clothing. There's gonna be an event where you need to dress up or business attire, bring it. Okay, there was a couple events that we had at school where I had to dress up a little bit. A laundry bag, of course, hangers, belts, socks, running shoes, and shoes that you don't care about, because you just never know. Now let's talk about hair. If you're not black, it just might look a little different for you. Bring 2 of everything basically when it comes to hair. I bought 2 edge brushes. I had the big eco gel bottle, whatever. Whoever came to my room, everybody was bidding on me for that big jar I had. But you see, I never was caught lacking. Braiding hair, just because you never know. Especially if you're going out of state. There was no beauty supply near my college. Like, it was a very predominantly white area, so there's not really like any black beauty supply stores. But if you're going out of state or a little far, you need to take everything you might need regarding your hair. Like, you know what I'm saying? A backup wig, your lip glosses. Like, don't even play like that, okay? Blow dryer and a flat iron for them wash days. Please get the Revlon blow dryer. It changed my life. It changed my wash days. I be in and out. Let's talk about food. Fridge and microwave is just like the 2 essentials. I don't even think I had to name that. If you didn't have that on your list, whoa. Okay, frozen food, TV dinners. My meal plan was so weird that honestly by like Wednesday, it would all be gone. That is so embarrassing. I had, do I want to expose myself? No. Them days I was starving, I popped in my frozen food, TV dinner. Ramen is just an essential, honestly. Next up, bring bowls, paper towels. You can also bring metal spoons and bring a pot. My school, we had kitchens in the bottom like of our building. Nobody ever used it. There were days when I wanted ramen from the pot, ramen from the stove, not no 6-minute microwave ramen. I wanted the real ramen. And I couldn't do that because I had no pot. I never needed to restock on really anything except laundry detergent during the school year, because I bought I just stocked up in the beginning. In the beginning of freshman year, your family's generous, they're hype, you're going, they're spending bread on you, okay? So that's when I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stock up. Oh my God, I need body wash right now. Like, oh, I'm all out of this. I'm telling you, it just makes your life easier, especially if you're going far. Literally, I think it's just 2 of everything, except for hygiene stuff. You might need a little more. I hope y'all know what I'm saying with 2 of everything, like the miscellaneous things that you can lose. You don't need 2 fridges. You don't need 2 microwaves. Makeup mirror, jewelry organizers also come in clutch. Now let's talk about hygiene. Okay, it's a scary place in college. You realize everybody has a different definition of hygiene in college. Bring a shower caddy. Next up, bring multiple toothbrushes. If my toothbrush even barely touched something else other than its case, is going in the trash. Laundry detergent, of course. Bar soap, body wash, rags, loofah, toothpaste, razor, shaving cream, lotion, shower shoes. I remember I saw somebody going to the bathroom barefoot, walking around in the dorms barefoot. Again, people's definitions of hygiene is different. Like, not everybody's raised the same. Yeah, I mean, do you, but it's scary. Now let's talk about cleaning. Please do it. Okay, your mommy, whoever it is not there to clean up after you. It's all on you. Bring a broom, Swiffer, pine saw, Clorox disinfectant wipes, trash bags, dish soap. And let's get into school supplies. You don't need that much of it when you're in college. Honestly, everything is pretty much digital. Unless you're like me, I like writing stuff down. For almost all my classes, I wrote my notes majority of the time by hand. 6 notebooks, and that lasted me the whole school year. And then about 4 folders, and that lasted me the whole school year. Next up, you need pens and pencils. Please, this is the time to create better study habits. You need highlighters. TI-84 calculator for your math classes. You do not need a printer. Most of the time, every building you step into, there's a printer, at least for my school. So our last category is miscellaneous things, but they're also really important, but they're all over the place. Medicine. I got so sick one time. I don't get sick like that, but I almost got taken out. I think it's really gonna happen during your first like month because you're around so many new people. There's so many germs. It's just a college sickness, honestly. I got sick like in the middle of the school year and it was horrible. I couldn't even go to class. And I didn't have any real medicine. I could say I was lacking there. I just had like Tylenol, but it wasn't that type of sickness. It was like runny nose. It was bad. It was horrible. I wanted my mommy. Bring a first aid kit, a workout mat, because I think you should definitely take advantage of the free gym. I wish I could be them people. Like, dude, there were certain people, they were in there every day before class at 6 a.m. Like, that's honestly so admirable. The gym was always a weird place for me, honestly, because I feel like there was a good amount of people that would go there just to shoot their shot, especially because it's at a college campus. So it was like a little annoying. Like, I just want to be sweaty in peace. Now, if you're going out of state, I think stamps will come in clutch. You never know when you might have to ship something out. Sunscreen, scissors, and tape. There are so many times I needed scissors. Bring a tote bag and a duffel bag, because you never know what little adventure. An umbrella. And last thing on this list is a speaker, because I was that person that was playing music while I was in the shower. No shame about it. Okay, I wasn't disrupting nobody though. That is it for my college essentials video. I know I'm starting off like the back school series very quick, but I know there's some people excited out there to be heading off to college and you're trying to be ahead on your packing, which is smart. Yeah, I hope I helped out. Make sure y'all subscribe and just give me video ideas. Okay, what you want to see from the girl?